Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel. So today is quite the busy day. Today I have a video shoot for this very YouTube channel, and I want to give you guys a little behind the scenes look of what it is like when I'm shooting these videos. So right now I'm here in my garage. Fun fact, if you may have seen one of my kitchen tour videos, we film in my garage, not my real home kitchen, which is kind of cool. I built this all myself, and it's a lot of fun. Right now we have the garage open, and my main man, Adrian, who's my cameraman, is coming in with all his equipment. We're gonna set up the lights, because as you see where I'm standing right now, there isn't really any good light because the lights aren't in because we're in the garage. So he's gonna load in the stuff. We're gonna start filming. I'm gonna change. We got the food over here all prepped already. We have a lot of video shoots today. I have two really cool guests that are coming. I cannot wait to introduce you guys to them. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I'm here, I'm now dressed, have my apron on, the food is now ready. We have the lights, check this out, there's a light over here, there's a light over there, and we are now getting ready to start shooting. Basically, Adrian right now is just playing around with the lights to make it hit my face well. Let me show you guys this. Check this out. So this is what I see. Well, I'm not actually supposed to look in here, I look in the camera, but let me show you over here. Like this, we got this monitor which shows me, you can see over there. Then we got the camera. We actually just upgraded this camera, so production value has gone up. Pretty exciting about that. And yeah, we're gonna start filming.
So you wanna see through the hole?
Yeah.
Versus the blade?
Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, so right now we are now setting up the first shot. My dad's actually holding the camera here. Fun fact, I do not like having anyone in the room while I'm filming except Adrian. Literally, I kick everyone out. All right, so Dad, I'm gonna start filming. You go out and start preparing the next thing. Yeah, all right, thank you. All right, fun fact. So, since there is no oven in my garage, we use my oven inside. So, check this out. We bring in the light over here. Then we have the camera over here. And we film putting the food into the oven, but it's kind of seamless in the video, so you never can tell. But that's just a little behind the scenes secret for you guys of how we make it happen. All right, so one of the most important parts of a cooking video is showing you guys a beautiful close-up shot of the final dish. So check this out. It might kind of spoil what we're making, but check this out. So we have the food over here with the beautiful natural light. We got the camera over here, and check out what the camera sees. Wait, there's a little bit of a glare. There we go. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. So we get all the different shots panning through, and this is what makes you guys watch the video and be like, okay, I need to make that. I mean, look at that. Come on. All right, so it's a very long story why we have this cat, but right now we are taking care of the cat. I want to call the cat Cardi the cat. No one else likes that name, but since it's my YouTube channel, here it's Cardi the cat. So Cardi the cat is eating some pretty gourmet food over here. That's all I'm going to show you just to save your eyes. Cardi, how's the YouTube shoot going? No words from Cardi. Any words? Want to meow? Meow. Wise words from Cardi the cat.
And bark it. And go. Anytime.
Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to the channel. So today we are making French fries, and I'm sure you're wondering, Eitan, like, bro, why are you not wearing a apron? Crap. Okay, restart. Tell the difference. Okay, so let's just get started. Right over here, I am going to start cutting up our potatoes. Now, personally, I like to leave the skin on my potatoes. If you don't like the skin on potatoes, you can totally just leave the skin out. All right, so we've been actually making incredible time. We are super early. We're about an hour ahead of schedule. Check out who's here. We have Rachel Gujar in the kitchen. I'm very excited. We are making a Indian curry. Wait, actually, this recipe is gonna come out the Monday after this vlog, so I can tell you guys. What are we making?
We're making a cod coconut curry. It's a South Indian style curry.
Very excited. Actually, fun fact, I make a lot of curries at home, but I've never made a fish curry before.
Yeah,
like
I saw on the channel, you haven't.
One thing that I like to do, not a lot of people do, I actually like to watch, I like watching all these documentaries about food, especially Indian food. And I keep seeing like in like Goa, they make a lot of fish curries and it looks so good. I want to try it. I've just been like scared for some reason.
You will see how easy this is. I'm so excited.
Oh my God. And okay, again, this is another thing no one else would be excited about, so I don't know why I'm telling you this, but see this pot right here? I got this clay pot at my local Indian grocer, and the second I saw it, I'm like, I need that. Haven't had a chance to use it, but Rachel said we could use it, so I'm very excited for that. Why am I telling you this? You probably don't care. Okay, we're gonna start filming. Bye. All right, guys, check this part out. So we just kind of cut quickly because we are waiting for this to simmer down, and I don't know why, this is kind of cool. It's very much exciting me cooking in this clay pot. I'm definitely gonna now literally cook in this for everything. Like, I'll be boiling water for pasta in this.
You could make so many things in this, seriously.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, you could make chole in this, or any type of like chicken curry that's tomato based. You could make another fish curry that's like a tomato based and tamarind based curry. So
maybe we'll just blur out all the mess over there, I think. But yeah, this is very exciting. Okay, just an update. So Rachel and I finished making the curry, and now check this out. Rachel is working her magic, making this curry look absolutely incredible. I'm only showing you guys this because it's gonna come out on Monday. Oh my God, this looks absolutely beautiful. Check this out. We are getting the close-up slider shots right now. Then Rachel, who's an incredible food photographer also, is going to be getting some, oh my, are you recording this?
Yes.
Oh, that looks so good. The action shots are what's important over here. Oh, look at that, that looks good. Yeah. So then we're gonna do the close-up shots. Then Rachel brought her camera with, by the way, the lens that I definitely need to get eventually. And wow, that is just beautiful. All right, just an update. Haven't filmed in a while. Rachel just left. That was so much fun. Rachel is awesome. You guys definitely should go check her out. We're on the last recipe. We're almost done. It's really crunch time. Like, this is a time we just gotta go. Like, I'm exhausted. I've been standing for like 12 hours straight, but we're gonna push through, making the last recipe right now, and we're just gonna kill the game. Like, this is the not so glamorous side, but it is just the side that you just gotta do to get it all done. Okay, I'm just running here so I can put my camera down, get a tissue, and finish the video. All right, that is now a wrap. We shot 7 super successful videos. I cannot wait for you guys to see all these. These videos will be playing for the next like 2 months. I'm very excited. I have a lot of editing to do. I'm really happy how they came out. They were a lot of fun. And yeah, I'm literally so exhausted. I've been up since 5 a.m. this morning. It is now like 6:30, I think. I have a lot of editing to do, a lot of backing up to do, a lot of clean up to do as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I literally have no idea if this is like a 4-minute video, a 12-minute video, who knows? But if you want to see what I shot today, click that red subscribe. Whoa, I don't know what I just said. Click that red subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I post all those new videos, and I have lots of other videos on my channel you can watch. Click that like button if you enjoyed watching, and comment down below any questions you have about the video making process. I would love to answer them. And yeah, all right, thanks for watching. Bye. I have a lot of cleanup to do. Yeah.